right now I'm headed to Zeal Racing in Palmdale, California. About to pick up some handlebars. And then one of Neil's friends' dads is helping me fix Tegan's dirt bike, so hopefully that'll be done here soon. And then in a little bit we got Supercross, and we're having sushi night at our house, so should be a good little video guys for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, we're back. Heading home now. Went to Zeal Racing. I got Reese. Shout out to Thomas Wilcox. Appreciate it. Alright, now we'll see you guys back at the house. Actually, we'll see you guys at Chris and Dustin's. If you guys don't know who that is, make sure you check them out on Instagram. Crispy Pit Bikes. They have their own merch, stickers, hats. I believe hats are coming soon, but make sure you guys check them out. They're up and coming. But we'll see you guys there, and then get ready for Supercross and Sushi. Sushi, sorry, I got gum in my mouth. But we'll see you guys there.
I'm gonna go catch you on the table here.
Okay.
Oh yeah. That's like the OG. If you don't know what to get,
The opportunity for the catch right in here. No, that's just a great job. Good no call. That's very athletic by Darius Williams.
Thank you. Just bomb.
Sushi! Sushi at home. Ow!
Let me see your flip. Let me see. What the heck was that?
Okay, I'll show them how real flip.
Go. Oh dang, front flip.
I can find
Let me see a handstand.
Okay. Come on.
No, that was a cartwheel. Handstand.
I'm trying to.
There you go.
Oh my god! I can't believe I'm doing this. Oh! I don't have mega knees.
What the hell? You ruined it. We start. Hurry up before you come in.
Ah!
That was behind the scenes of a
Oh,
TikTok.
it wasn't really bad. Did you see that?
Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let's see, she said she has 2,200 views.
2281. Right there. See it? See it?
Make sure you guys follow her TikTok. Resoto18.
We got 112 likes. This better blow up. Blow it up.
You gotta
Oh,
show
you wanna
them.
show them?
This is what's going viral.
It's not going viral. Don't say that.
Well, it's
It's just getting some love.
a lot of love. Y'all go check them out. Check her videos out. Good shit.
If Daddy could see that, he didn't see that.
Got the boys riding.
Follow White Rabbit. I'm taking potions, call me Alice. Watch me grow taller. Yeah, Rabbit's watches in his pocket. Yeah, he stays late, but he leads me, so I follow. Wandering in Wonderland, wondering how or if I'll ever get back. Follow White Rabbit. I'm taking potions, call me Alice. Chatter with the flowers. Watch the seconds turn to hours. It's time for high tea. Madmen in hats and cats up in the trees. Wandering around in Wonderland, wondering how or if I'll ever get back. Wandering around in Wonderland, wondering how or if I'll ever get back. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Wandering around in Wonderland, Wonderland. Wondering how or if I'll ever get back. Wandering around in Wonderland, I'm wondering how or if I'll ever get back. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you?
Alright, 450 main event over. Shout out to Barsha, the dude that on the gas, sick, super fast. Yeah, hopefully he takes it this year because I'm looking forward to see what he's gonna do. But now we're gonna play some video games, eat the rest of the sushi, have a few drinks. So
Right.
see you guys later.
Bye. Thank you for watching today's video, you guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, of course. Thank you for watching. We'll be back soon.